If you have ever wondered why certain artists just seem to sell their artwork consistently all the time, every time they paint something it sells, and why not you? Why isn't your art like that? I think that these three main factors that I'm going to go through right now could be the reason. Here we go. Color, theme, and excellence. When it comes to color, a lot of people, when they first see a piece, they're most attracted to the color. And the color sort of answers the question for them, can I live with this? Color should be rich, it should transition, and there should be a definite color story. So this is an example of rich color versus anemic color. Just because it's bright doesn't necessarily mean it's rich. Richness is really non-muddy color that has its full sort of power. So even if it's a white or it's a neutral or a gray, it is the cleanest, richest, full body version of that. So color also needs to transition. If you look at the painting on the left, the greens are transitioning and the reds are transitioning. Whereas on the right, everything is same. It's the same white everywhere, same purple everywhere, and it's not transitioning. Color story. Your painting has to have a color story. Both of these paintings have a color story. The one on the left is a complementary color story where yellow is the dominant color with a splash of violet. Then on the right, the color story is basically in a triad. So you have violet with that teal and blue, so everything's on that end, with a splash of the complement, which is the yellow that's in that green. Let's go to the second most important reason why a painting will sell, and that is the theme. The theme is how the collector is really going to connect with the piece. So it's important that the subjects are open-ended and not too specific. So here's an example of open-ended where you can create your own story. Maybe this is a dream. Whereas the one on the right, you get this feeling like you're observing a riddle. If you can't solve the riddle, then you feel like you're left behind or you're not quite smart enough to figure it out. And that is a big turn off when it comes to art. Usually artwork that is beautiful or inspiring, hopeful, wondrous, something positive, something inspiring is gonna sell versus dark, oppressive, depressing, sad. Also a unique point of view, so nothing very derivative. There's only so many subjects, but within that subject, there's so much room for creativity and innovation and a unique point of view, a unique perspective. As you can see, the one on the right is like there's 100,000 million paintings just like that, whereas the one on the left is more sellable because it's unique. So now we're on to our third and final reason that will make art sell, and that is excellence, right? What is excellence? It's having adequate skill, good materials that match the price, it's ready to hang, and good craftsmanship. So we're gonna go through all of those. This is a simple piece. It doesn't require a tremendous, you don't have to paint realistically necessarily, but it's simple with excellence. Here's another example, the painting on the left. The skills are really good and it's all about the expression. Whereas the one on the right, I can't get into the expression. I can't get past just, they don't have enough skill. So this is a case where the skills are getting in the way. Now you have to have high quality of materials. You want to use the best materials that you can. You don't have to use the most expensive paint on the market, but just not really crappy paint. And also you're gonna do better with your skills if you have really good brushes. All these things are gonna help your artwork sell better. If it's made with professional materials, you'll be taken as a professional. People will think of you as a professional and you'll be able to sell your artwork, and you'll be able to sell artwork at a higher price. Now, craftsmanship, it's really about integrity of the painting and the materials because people are paying good money for this. So fresh paint, clean solvent, clean water, so everything looks crisp and fresh. Your paintings should be signed with the edges of the painting painted and varnished, ready to be sold with wire on the back, ready to be hanged. So thanks for being here with me, and I hope you learned a lot. I hope you're really, really inspired and you are ready to create some art that's gonna sell.